Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my own way. Very yummy, guys. Budget friendly. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. Of course guys, isa nang namang masarap na recipe ang isi-share ko sa inyo. And alam nyo guys, murang-mura lang to, budget friendly at kayang-kaya nga ng ating bulsa. And sana nga matry nyo din po at home kasi ang recipe ito ay all about tokwa, pero hindi siya tokwat baboy or tokwat kangkong, kundi ito naman ay, ang luluto ko naman yan ay tokwat tahong. Ayan. So, na-try nyo na ba guys? So, kung hindi pa, tara, samahan nyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking. And by the way, before we start cooking, salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko at patuloy na sumusuporta. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start how to prepare this recipe. Okay? So, mga ingredients natin guys ay ito. So, yan lang. Meron tayong tahong. So, yung tahong guys, tinanggal ko na yung pinaka, what do you call, yung shell niya. Of course, pinakuluan ko muna. Saka ko siya hinimay, okay? And then, of course, meron tayong tokwa, kamatis, sibuyas bawang, siling haba, and of course, oyster sauce. Kaya nga tatawagin ko ang aking recipe for today na Tokwa't Tahong in oyster sauce. Okay? So first, ipa-fry muna natin ang ating tokwa guys, and then saka natin igigisa ang ating ibang ingredients. Okay? So let's start to fry our tofu. Slice muna natin. Okay guys, our ingredients are ready. So na-slice na natin ang ating tokwa, pati yung ibang ingredients. And sa kamatis guys, I suggest na tanggalin nyo yung pinaka-buto para hindi ganong maasim. Okay? So let's fry our tofu. So ang sikreto para hindi ganong tumalsik guys, hinaan ng apoy or patayin ng apoy. Okay? Okay guys, so fried na ang ating tofu. So let's start to saute the ingredients. So yung pinaglutuan natin, ito na rin gagamitin natin guys. Bawang, put bawang, and put na rin natin ang ating onion. So let's wait until maging golden brown guys, and then let's put our tahong. Okay guys, so golden brown na. Let's put our tahong. Maliliit lang yung tahong na nadulo namin guys, pero masarap din to. Kahit maliit lang, okay? So, ang gawin nyo lang guys, sa mga bago, hindi alam, pakuluan nyo lang to and then tanggalin lang sa shell. Ayan, so medyo toasted lang natin siya guys, and then let's put the tomato, okay? And then the other ingredients. Okay guys, so medyo toasted na siya, and medyo naano na rin siya, oh. Nadudurog na. So let's put tomato guys, and then yung green chili or siling haba, and then put some salt, pinch of salt, and then guys, pinch of pepper. Okay, and then let's put oyster sauce. Yan, pampasarap. So, lutuin lang natin ang ating tomato guys. And last ingredient to put ay yung ating fried tofu. Okay? So, let's put some water. So, depende sa inyo kung medyo dry ang gusto nyo. It's okay. Kung medyo may sauce naman, let's put some water. Okay? So, see you in a bit, guys. Okay, guys. So, almost done. So, tingnan nyo, nadurog na rin yung tahong. Sa sobrang maliliit lang kasi yung nabili namin. So, last, let's put our chopped or sliced fried tofu. Ayan, and then patayin na natin yung apoy, guys, and haluin lang natin. Okay, so all done. Ganun lang kasimple ang pagluto ng Tokwa't Tahong. Okay, so maganda rin, guys, kung gusto nyo sizzling to. I-ano nyo siya sa sizzling plate, then with egg. Okay, so masarap na breakfast at pwede rin pampulutan sa mga nag-iinuman. Okay? So, let's put into plate and it's tasting time. So, ito na, guys, ang ating finished product, ang ating Tokwa't Tahong. Ayan. So, naglagay din ako ng lemon, slice of lemon on top. And, of course, sili. Okay? Okay, guys. So, it's tasting time. Let's taste. Una kong tikim, medyo matamis-tamis siguro yung combination ng tomato at oyster sauce. And then, pagka-crunch mo or pagka-bite mo ng tokwa, guys, nandun yung crunchiness niya. Sarap. And then, yung pinaka-tahong niya, siyempre malalisanin talaga na seafoods. And sakto din ang timpla natin, guys, sa ating recipe for today. Okay? So, sana sa mga nanay at home, sa mga nanonood po, sana matry nyo ang ating dish for today. Okay? So, thank you again for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. I love you all, guys. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much, guys. Okay? Budget friendly, yet so yummy and healthy kasi meatless. Okay? Bye!